Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another fun video. We are going to do another sensory play activity. We are going to do a sensory bottle. So if you guys like these type of videos, make sure to subscribe right down to my channel if you haven't yet. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. So guys, don't worry if you're not following through in this video because I will link everything down in my description of the exact names of the products that I bought. And I actually purchased all of these items at Michael's. I'm pretty sure you can find it online, on Amazon, or any other stores, but that's the place that I went to. So the products that I purchased are 2 smart bottles. I emptied them already. And then I got these water beads. I think it's called water jewels or something like that. Those are clear, but I've seen online that you can get colored ones. And then I got some clear glue. I got some glitters. So I got this pink glitter over here, and then I got the orange one that comes on the other side. I thought that was so pretty. And then I got these other glitters over here that are like purplish. They're like purple mermaid. And then I got these gems. And then these beautiful sequins. Yeah, I think that's all you need to make this. Of course you need water, but that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first step you want to do is peel the sticker off of your bottle. Once you peel your sticker off your bottle, you want to make sure that they look like this, that they're clear. And then the first, oh, we forgot something. I forgot the food coloring. Yes, so guys, you guys also need some food coloring. So I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video, but this is what you need if you want some color in your bottle. Alright, so the first step would be to fill your bottle halfway up with water. So let me go do that real quick. Alright guys, so we have our 2 bottles halfway filled with water. And so now we're gonna take our food coloring. The colors that I have over here is orange, pink, and purple. I'm gonna put the purple one aside for something else in the future, but I really wanted to do these 2 colors. So the orange one, I'm just gonna pour like maybe 3 drops, maybe 4 or 5. I'd say 5 drops for now and see how it goes. I'm gonna do the same one with the pink one. So then we wanna shake it well. Ooh, look at this color. And then we want to shake this one as well. Kind of looks like the orange. Maybe I'll add a little more pink. So next we are going to add our glitter. With the pink one, I'm going to add some purple glitter. And then I'm also going to add my pink glitter. And honestly, you guys can use whatever you want. I really don't know what this is gonna look like because these colors are a little off, but it doesn't matter. Woo! I made a mess already. Hey! Then we are going to add our gems. I feel like whatever you do, your baby likes it anyway. So we have some baby gems, some medium-sized gems, and some large gems. And they all kind of blend in. And then now we are going to add our sequins. Sequins, I'm just gonna put it in the pink bottle just to make one of the bottles a little more different than the other. Oh, great! Now we are going to shake it. Okay, so now we are going to add the water jellies. We're going to add our clear glue, and you don't want to put too much, just enough, if that makes sense. So the reason you want to put clear glue is so that when you turn the bottle over, the objects inside will go slower. The next step is to fill out these bottles all the way to the top with water, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final. So guys, I think I'm done. The last step I recommend is to go over with the alcohol on the bottle, just to make sure you didn't leave anything out in case the baby would put the bottle in their mouth. You want to still be there with them when they're holding these bottles. Make sure that they're not able to open them. Come on, my outfit. Wow. Wow. So yeah guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and play with Giselle, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.